In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix transaction limit exceeded on Gcash. If you've ever tried to send money or pay for something and saw a transaction limit exceeded message, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you understand what it means, how to check your limits, and what you can do next. First, open your Gcash app and head to the Profile section. This is where you can access your account details and settings. Once you're in Profile, look for Profile Limit or Profile Limits. Tap that and you'll see a clear breakdown of how your account is currently limited. Think of this screen as your dashboard for understanding how much you can still send, receive, or keep in your wallet within certain timeframes. On the Profile Limits screen, you'll typically see separate sections for incoming and outgoing transactions. For verified accounts, there's generally no cap on daily incoming transactions, which means people can transfer money to you throughout the day without hitting a daily incoming ceiling. Outgoing transactions are different. These include actions like sending money, paying bills, buying load, or making QR payments. Outgoing transactions usually have a daily limit that refreshes after each cycle. This is why you might be blocked from sending more money, even if your balance still looks fine. You'll also see your wallet limit, which is the maximum amount your Gcash wallet can hold at any one time, and your monthly limit, which tracks how much you can transact over an entire month. Both are important. Even if you haven't hit the daily cap, you could still run into the monthly ceiling if you've been very active. The Profile Limits page helps you keep an eye on all of these so you can plan accordingly. If you've exceeded a limit, the fix is simple but requires patience. You'll need to wait until the limit resets. The reset happens automatically based on your daily and monthly cycles. No need to contact support or change anything in the app. While you wait, avoid repeatedly retrying the same transaction since it won't go through until your allowance refreshes. A few practical tips while you're on that screen. Check which specific limit you've reached, daily outgoing, wallet, or monthly, so you know what's blocking the transaction. Keep an eye on the remaining allowance shown there to help you time your next payment. And if you often bump into limits, consider spacing out transactions across different days to stay within your available capacity. That's it. By using the Profile Limits page to understand your daily outgoing, wallet, and monthly caps, you'll know exactly why the error appears and when you can safely try again.